Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change scale of dashed line in AutoCAD. Let's start. First we will create a straight line or any line, and I will give the length of line is 5 meter. Zoom extend. First we have to change this solid line to dash line. Click here by layer, click on others. After that line type manager will open. Click here on load, and here you will select a dash line. OK, then again press OK. Now select the line, click here and change to dash. Now you can see that you cannot see the dash line because it's showing very small. We have to change the scale. Type here LTS, enter. Now the scale is 1. You have to give the scale according to your drawing. I will give 10, enter. Now you can see that the scale of the dash line is changed. Similarly, when you change the line to dash line or dotted line, if it is not showing properly, you have to change the scale of the line so that the line is visible in a paper space or on the screen.